Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the color of your mouse cursor on Chromebook. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by clicking the white circle icon at the bottom left of the screen. In the app menu, open Settings. In Settings, select Advanced from the left sidebar. In Advanced Settings, look at the left sidebar again and select Accessibility. In Accessibility Settings, under the Mouse and Touchpad section, you will see the mouse color option. Click it and change it to what you want. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Chromebook tips and tricks.